If AirPlay is not working on your iPhone, don't panic. Here are 5 easy fixes to get it streaming again. First, ensure same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. AirPlay uses a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It won't work otherwise. So, make sure both your iPhone and the receiving devices are turned on, next to each other and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. AirPlay needs that you're truly on the same network. If that doesn't work, restart everything: your phone, the AirPlay receiver, and even your Wi Fi router. A restart often clears minor glitches and connection errors. Next, toggle your Wi Fi on and off, or just forget the network and reconnect. This resets the connection and often restores AirPlay functionality. Next, make sure all devices, including your iPhone, Apple TV, and Smart TV, have the latest software updates. Also, check that AirPlay is enabled on your TV or Apple TV. And if you're still stuck, try resetting your network settings. Or, if you're using an VPN, disable it. It can block AirPlay entirely. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.